It's our time to shine. So that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work.
Double takedown.
Self-drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Off, the speakers can't even handle me. Even what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some hard jobs to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting there. Forgotten souls, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got swat, I'm full, I'm not bought, I'm sold, my stock rock. Knock me home and shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping, no.
Triple takedown.
No, my pocket's grown, you can't stop the show, so get broken up. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make. Yeah, I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm. No, I'm never slowing down, keep on going up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm out. Attack with no
Quadra takedown.
because their mind's been infected and they're filled with rejection, too filled with recollection. So we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention because I'm gaining their attention, because I'm making a connection. Lyricism and expression got me keeping my attention. My profession, I'm attacking my profession. I go walk
And then takedown.
I plan carefully and execute sparingly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies. I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, nothing's still I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second, and my thoughts at the top. Dream stop, cause dreaming is a blessing.
Unstoppable.
But it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. Yeah. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me
Rampage.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. I ain't here to make friends.
Takedown spree.
With me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard. 6 feet I'm ostracized and traumatized by everything I'm not alright. I'm lost inside, and anything I say you better listen up closely. Mostly, I'm the one and only, bring it home slowly. Hand your boy the trophy, patience is holy moly. I got him hating on me like Michael hates Toby. Force like I'm Obi, you know the one Kenobi. Force fed baloney by phonies, just wanna rule the world, call me Mr. Steel Girl. Easy gave me the referral, now he's worried about a jail. Yeah, coming out strong, I've been here for a long time. Started off online, finish off all time. They can call me crazy cause I rap like I got rabies. I'm confident, not lazy, and I'm dominating lately. She want me like some pastries, I'ma give it to these ladies like I'm Hefner in my 80s. Still I'm pushing up daisies. Don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard. 6 feet, don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard. 6 feet.
break them, your teeth will be vacant. I don't need to be patient, man, I breed entertainment. From the streets, not the basement, oh see, I've been baking like your mama's casserole, she makes me. I turn on the radio when you hear some shit, your throat all slit if you don't post this, and I won't be missed. Hell no, I'm pissed, I'm the only rapper in this game for shit. I go it on my own, don't need nobody's help. I do it all alone, I'ma do it by myself. All these lyrics on my own, you won't put me on the shelf. Every punch that I throw, I can send your ass to hell. Better run, bitch, down
with me. Don't wanna test your luck with me.
You don't wanna fuck with
Cause if you try to fuck with me,
that's right,
I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard. 6 feet. Don't wanna fuck with me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. Cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard. 6 feet underground.
Wipeout. I need equipment.
yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. I know, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fake now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I could find my way even when I'm facing down. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma take a side and I'ma take pride. I'm breaking side, never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planning on the stand, never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright.
That's right, I'm the game champ. Old news.